My chuck got washed away.
Yeah. Well, that's a good thing.
But do you see? Like, do you see when you hit the roof?
You know, bad faith.
So he's
From
saying
them. He's saying that that's nothing.
Sir, can you explain something on this? Like, you just mark and then you said 0 and you can see hail in here in your chalk.
Yeah, I'll send it to guide 1, they're going to look at it.
But you're here and you don't see it?
There's no splatter mark in it.
Not after
There-
you chalked it.
I saw it after.
You chalked it. There's a dent. And you don't see it?
There's no splatter in it.
You don't see no splatter on this roof?
There's splatter on the roof, but not in that dent.
So you chalk and you see the dent and you see the splatter all over the roof and you don't see one hit here?
You can have splatter without hits. Look at the other one.
What about hip here, hip and reach here?
Yeah, okay. So how big does that hail look like to you on that ridge compared to the storm on this side?
Well, I'm looking at the dents. I'm looking, this is shot 1 foot down. You chalk in the area with the dent and you're arguing it's not come from the hail. Where is it coming
I
from?
didn't say it didn't come from hail, but if you look how big the hail was on that ridge, guide
How
one's-
do you explain dents in your chalk?
Let me finish.
Okay.
Guide 1's going to look at prior claims
Prior claims on.
here.
When you put 0 there, that's you saying there is no hail. You're just saying the Marfield guy looked at it and he said there was no hail.
On chalk, this metal roof is going to have other marks on it besides hail. You don't think tree branches or other stuff are walking
But
on
that's
it or
not a
stuff?
tree branch. I mean, I'm
Well, I
talking
marked
about
it.
your chalk. So you're sending to your
I got a
office.
close-up of that thing, and if they want to cover that, they will.
But you're sending them 0 in your chalk when there is a dent.
I don't think it's from the storm because there's no splatter in the hole, and it doesn't fit the splatter size.
Where is it coming from then?
Well, you tell me. I don't know.
I'm telling
I
you,
don't have to tell you where it
I'm
came
telling you it's from hail. You can see it.
Yeah, I don't have to tell you where it came from. If I don't know, I don't know.
So you're just gonna put 0, even if you see the dents. And so what's gonna happen here with the
I've
reach?
got 1 ping in 2 test areas. That whatever that was, 1.
Well,
I've
in
got
your
nothing
in your
on the-
chalk you can see
I've
2
got nothing
dents.
on the fascia. So I look for collateral damage, something that fits. I'm trying to figure out what happened. I look for
The
coverage.
ridge, it doesn't amount to collateral damage. The top of that doesn't amount to collateral damage. I'm just asking. No.
You tell me that all those hits in that ridge are from this storm? There's no, look at them.
I didn't say all of
There's
them
no
were.
oxidation in
They
there.
don't, all of them don't have to be.
Yeah. Well, that's what I just told you.
Well, then we agree on something. But all of them don't have to be in order for it to be damaged from the
Are you
hailstorm.
recording me?
Yes,
You are?
yes.
Okay, well, you can't record me
Why I cannot record you?
because we're done.
Why I can't record you?
Yes, you will, because you're not allowed to do that.
Says who? Says who? Who told you I cannot record you?
Me.
You? That's great. You're writing laws on recording right now? We're in a public place as far as I'm concerned. We're in a church. Just do your job and don't be afraid being recorded. Unless you're doing something wrong, right?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, really? Oh. So is that why you were so concerned about my tripod in the beginning?
Yeah, if you're going to be videotaping me with a drone while I'm inspecting, I got a right to know about it.
There's no drone. I didn't drone you.
Okay. Well, I asked you and you told me, so I believed you. Started my inspection.
And I didn't record all the time until we start confrontation.
We're done talking for now.
So you're done with the inspection?
Yep.
So what's gonna happen next? You're gonna
I
re-inspect
don't
it?
know. I'll let the carrier know.
And what's
And
the
I'll be in contact with you.
So what happened? I mean, why I can't record
We're
you?
done talking, bud. Okay.
Alright,
All right,
alright. So this adjuster just left because we were recording him. He stopped and he is literally leaving, accusing us that on this church we cannot record the inspection. We were pointing to him that in his own truck there's a hail hit, and he denied them. He didn't think it was hail hits. I'll show you the footage of it later. And he's pretty much leaving right now. We'll see what's gonna happen. He stopped the inspection and he's gone. Have a good day, sir.